In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second account on Yahoo Mail. This lets you switch between inboxes without signing out each time. We'll do it from the Yahoo homepage using simple on-screen prompts. Have the login details for both accounts ready, and if you use verification codes, keep your phone or recovery email nearby. Let's get started in your web browser. Open your browser and click into the address bar at the top. Type yahoo.com and press enter to load the site. In the upper right corner, look for the sign-in link and click it. If you're not already signed into your main Yahoo account, follow the on-screen process to log in. That usually means entering your email address, selecting next, and providing your password. If you see any prompts such as verification or terms, complete those as well. Give it a moment while Yahoo signs you in. You'll land on the Yahoo homepage or directly in Mail depending on where you came from. After you're signed in, move to the top right and click your profile icon, which may show your initial or a small avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Add or Switch Accounts, then select Add Account. This opens a new sign-in flow that adds another login without logging out of the first. Once it's set up, you can switch between accounts from the same profile menu. You'll now see a sign-in page. Type the email address for the second Yahoo account you want to add and continue. On the next screen, enter that account's password. If Yahoo asks you to verify your identity, just follow the on-screen steps, which might include entering a code sent to a trusted device or recovery email. Continue through any prompts until you're signed in. When it completes, click the profile icon again and you'll notice both accounts listed. Select either one anytime to switch instantly, and then click Mail in the header to open that account's inbox. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site and look for the lock icon in your browser's address bar. Avoid saving passwords on shared or public computers. If something doesn't load or you're repeatedly asked to sign in, a refresh, clearing recent cookies for Yahoo, or trying a private window often helps. And that's it. You've successfully added a second account to Yahoo Mail, and you can now switch between them without missing a message.